tell you what, how long you've been here? How long you've been?
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
4K. Congratulations, Anthony. Hope the best. Pulse on 3x crazy time. Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, that's a 3x on crazy time. Let's go. Welcome, guys. Has Multiplier 200X. Double on green. And that's 120x on green. Let's keep it going, guys.
And that's a 2, and that's a golden 2 that we take. Alright, with that, congratulations to winners. That's it all. Now let's see, next spin will be a bonus, hopefully. I mean, we keep getting bonuses every, I don't know, 6-7 rounds now. So it will be about time to see the bonus. Maybe a crazy time this time. I would love it. Well, let's see. Go again with a little bit of a higher spin. I see crazy time with a 4x. Ayo. Maybe. Actually, maybe. To be or not to be? And the answer is... to be! Ladies and gentlemen, looks like we're getting a crazy time with a 4x multiplier from the top slot. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Alright then, come on right in. Let's rock, baby. And hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Good to see you back in this bonus round of crazy time. I finally got it in this session. Lovely, lovely stuff. And well, we have it with a 4x multiplier. That's what I like to see, baby. Not just regular ones. So hopefully this one will turn out quite alright. But yeah, let's multiply all these spaces with a 4x multiplier. Oh, yes, indeed. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I believe it's your turn. Your turn to pick a flop. Green, blue, and yellow. Pick whichever you like. Whichever thing is going to be to get you that highest multiplier. And of course, we'll get to see if you're right. Maybe you will be, maybe not. We'll see together. But now, max multiplier is 400x. Let's roll. would you look at that, ladies and gentlemen? 60x for the green, 100x for the blue, and 400x for the yellow. With that, congratulations to all the winners. Who's from? Let's go back to the game.
61 players on your victories. Shitty shout out to you in the highest victory this round. Better open low 5. That's a good insight actually. Thank you for standing over here. Bets are closed. And we have 7x on cash on from the top slot. Oh wow, alright. Let's go. And welcome to the cash on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we have over here. And the highest one is, I'm looking, 100. Alright. Good luck. Oh wait. No. Don't mind that. We had 7x from the wheel. Woo! Now it's time to do the magic. Okay. Choose the one. Look at them right now. And now it's time to make decisions. Now it's your time to choose the one. If 100 with 7x was, then the 700 was the highest one, right, Ripley? So it is 700 is the highest multiplier. If you cannot choose, of course, Autopic will choose it for you automatically. Do not worry. And what do we have? No, a lot of it. A lot of everything. Alright, and I would like to congratulate 1,869 players on your victories. Bets are open. Hold on. How's it? 7x with 100 is 700. But I couldn't find it. I don't know. Don't mind that. Bets are closed.
Thick and thin. Have you ever walked out? What do you mean by that? Good luck? Walk out of the session? What, Baba? What do you mean? It's a mix from the top slots. Last cash hunt was 100x. And lots of them. Yes, out of the session. You are not allowed to do such things, Wildflower. Oh no. I want to stay in this workplace. It's number 1. 949 winners in total. Which means we will stay as long as it is decided for us to stay. So we are not the ones to control how many minutes we are hosting. Until the next break. 10 more seconds for the next round. Okay, Daniel, drop the second one because I'm using phone. The next time I'll drop it on my own. Don't say too much about list. No, you better say it all. Cash on with 10x from the top slots. You better say it all. And also, I told you so. I told you so. It's the highest one of the day. You may never ever lose a hope in our session together, because sooner or later it has to happen. Cash on side with 10x. Wildflower as well. I've told you. Manifestation. The Lulu may come through Lulu. So we do have 100x is the highest one. And add up. Add up that additional fire 10x. The highest one is here. I will forward level with 1000x is the highest one. We do have 500x, 200x, 150x. Whatever. We're meant to be together with the highest multiplier. But now, let's shuffle it and let's get it started in here. It's up for you to choose multiplier for yourself by choosing a target firstly. So ka-chow something for yourself, or you can choose for Autopic to do the work for you. Few more seconds. And let's reveal all the multipliers. I do see 500x. 1k, I do see it. And 10 of you got it. 2,037 winners in total. I cannot even believe it. I'm so excited. And it can't hide it. How it went for you? Place the bets for the next round as well. Can't believe it. What did you got? What's the good one? Whoa, Skylar, to see?
Moonwalk, please. Okay, let me try it. A pigeon, not my son. I should practice it more. Ryan said, my sayer. Yeah. Never give up, never what? Deranked on purpose. Ah, right. Very smart. Audio is blank. I'll tell you what. How long you've been here? How long you been there, bro? Where? Here? There? Pachinko. 20x top spot. Wait a seckie. No shot, bro. Wait, if I get thumbnailed, I want to do this. Thank you. That's if we get thumbnailed, ladies and gentlemen. 20x top spot Pachinko. What the flippin' flapjacks, man. That's my highest top spot I've ever hit on a bonus. 20x, bro. Wow. Can we max out the board, though? Can we max out the board? We need to hit 2 doubles to max it out. 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, double. Okay, the board, I'd say it's looking pretty safe, okay? Wow. Wow, man. This is absolutely crazy, bro. Ooh, 700x max multi, and I'm pretty sure we are dropping right above it, no? 700x, where was the double? Where was the double? Double's like there on the right. 700x right here in the corner near the 400 and the 300 multis. Come on, come on, come on, baby! Let's go! 700x, bro, what?
That's our close. 25x on cash from the top slot. Wow. Let's see. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow. Welcome to the cash on, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, so we are having our multipliers over here, but we have 25x from the top slot, right? So let's multiply them all. Wow, 1,875 is the highest one, right? Wow, all right, good luck. Wow, this will be great. What can I say? This will be wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Woo. I hope you memorize that, and it's your time to make the decisions, day players. Choose the one you like the most. If you cannot choose, Autopic will choose it for you automatically. I hope you chose it, and let's see. Oh wow, look at that, so much, a lot of multipliers are over here. 2,500 by the way, wow, incredible. Woo-hoo-hoo. Congratulations, 1,580 winners on your victories.
So, we're gonna find. So, 1,220 sold the winners. Congratulations, all of you. That's like the next game. Best of an hour fully up, and ladies and gentlemen, let's now continue with the next one. Let's now continue, ladies and gentlemen. That's not gonna be closed down. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Pachinko with the 5x in the top slot. And we should look at that. We don't have negative people, and we get the bonus. Odd as well, right? That is very odd. Oh my god, Dom is the worst. Dom is the worst, guys, by the way. I'm so bad. The worst host, please. Host change. Oh my god. Take a look, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta start off with a 7x. 10, 15, 20, 25, ladies and gentlemen. 35 with a 50, 200x, and a little bit of a double. Look at that. 1,000. Alright. That's how we do it. Let me take a look where we're gonna drop it. Big stones, big wins, big dollar bills. Let's take a look, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god! Oh my god! How is this possible? The worst dealer, the worst host got a big top slot. 1,000x is the biggest one, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck. How is this possible? Impossible. Now take a look. What did you say? Oh, by the way, 2,226 winners. What did you say? What did you say?
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.